My daily routine is something that helps me stay balanced, focused, and motivated throughout the entire day. Every morning, I wake up early because I love starting my day with a fresh and calm mind. As soon as I open my eyes, I take a deep breath, stretch a little, and slowly get out of bed. This small moment of calmness helps me set a positive tone for the rest of the day. After getting up, I head to the washroom, wash my face with cold water, and get ready for the morning. Freshening up makes me feel awake, relaxed, and ready to take on whatever comes next. Once I am ready, I move to the kitchen and prepare a light and healthy breakfast. I usually choose something simple that gives me energy, like eggs, toast, fruits, or sometimes a cup of tea. Breakfast is an important part of my routine because it fuels my body and gives me the strength to stay active throughout the day. While eating breakfast, I sometimes think about my plans, check my messages, or simply enjoy the quiet morning atmosphere. After finishing my breakfast, I sit down to plan my day. I list the tasks I want to complete and set small goals for myself. Planning helps me stay organized and makes my day smoother and more enjoyable. Once my plan is ready, I begin my main work or study session. The most focused and productive. Whether I have assignments, office work, or personal projects, I try to give my full attention and do my best. I believe that working with a fresh mind always gives better results. As the day continues, I usually take small breaks after working for some time. These breaks help me rest my eyes, relax my mind, and refresh my energy. I might stretch a little, walk around, drink some water, or just relax for a few minutes before getting back to work. By midday or early afternoon, it is time for lunch. I enjoy a simple and healthy meal that keeps me energized for the second half of my day. After eating, I rest for a short while because relaxing after lunch makes me feel comfortable and prepares me for the tasks ahead. Later in the afternoon, I continue with my work or spend time learning something new. Learning is an important part of my routine because it keeps my mind active and helps me grow. Sometimes I read articles, watch educational videos, or practice something I want to improve. Other times, I focus on finishing pending tasks or planning new ideas. If I feel tired or stressed, take a short walk outside to get fresh air. Walking helps me clear my mind and brings a sense of calmness. It also gives me a chance to observe nature, enjoy the surroundings, and feel refreshed. As the evening arrives, the atmosphere in the house becomes more relaxed. This is one of my favorite times of the day because it allows me to slow down. I usually sit with my family, talk about how the day went, and share small moments of joy. Spending time with family reminds me of what truly matters and fills my evening with warmth and comfort. Sometimes we enjoy tea together, watch something light, or simply talk and laugh. These moments bring a special kind of peace that work cannot provide. After spending time with my family, shift my attention back to myself. This is my personal time when I relax, reflect, or enjoy something I love. I might listen to music, watch a short video, organize my room, or prepare things I will need for the next day. Having this personal time helps me slow down after a long day, gives my mind a chance to breathe. I believe it is important to spend a little time with yourself because it helps you understand your thoughts, feelings, and goals. As the night continues, I usually wrap up any remaining tasks. If something important is left unfinished, I try to complete it before going to bed. I also check my schedule for the next day and prepare anything necessary, such as organizing my desk, planning my tasks, or sorting out my belongings. Preparing beforehand saves me time in the morning and reduces stress. When everything is done, I unwind by doing something relaxing. Sometimes I write down my thoughts or note the things I achieved that day. Even if I accomplish a small task, I try to appreciate it because small achievements build confidence and motivation. After this, I get ready for bed by washing my face again and changing into comfortable clothes. A clean and calm environment helps me sleep better, so I try to keep my room neat and peaceful. Finally, I lie down on my bed, reflect on my day, and think about what I can improve tomorrow. This simple habit keeps me motivated and helps me grow each day. After that, I close my eyes and slowly drift into sleep. Going to bed on time allows me to wake up refreshed and ready to start a new day with new energy and new goals. My daily routine may be simple, but it gives me balance, discipline, and peace. It keeps me focused, helps me stay productive, and fills my day with purpose.